Assalamu alaikum. All of you are welcome to Professional Excel Trainer. Today we will learn a minor but frequently required issue, how to open up Outlook attachments in edit mode directly. If you are unsure what I am trying to say, have a look for yourself. You guys can see a mail opened on the computer screen and it has an Excel attachment. Well, we have hidden all mail addresses due to privacy issues. If we open up this Excel file, we will find that we can't edit this file. On the other hand, there will be a yellow warning sign which says, Protected View. Now we need to click the Enable Editing button to edit the file. Only then will the file be editable. Opening attachments this way may cause different issues like Excel may hang up, and as a result, we may not be able to save files which ultimately causes data loss or rework. In some other cases, we can see the Excel file has opened up, but we cannot see any content in that file. To avoid these types of issues, we can directly open Excel attachments of Microsoft in edit mode, and we want to learn it today. This method saves time as well as brings speed to workflow. Our page intends to train you professionally, so productivity is one of our vital points of view. Before enabling this setting, we must be cautious about some issues. After enabling this setting, we have to be extra careful while opening Excel attachments from Outlook emails. You may already know there is a way to program Excel files with VBA, which can be risky. You can open all XLSX files without a doubt because these files do not contain VBA programs. Some common file types that can be programmed are XLS, XLSM, and XLSB. So, we have to be extra careful while opening these files. This is not a big deal. There is nothing to be afraid of. There is another setting for enabling VBA programs or macros. It is good to know the issues. If you are aware, you can remain safe easily. Okay, jump straight to the topic without any further ado. Before we carry on, let's close the active workbook by pressing Ctrl+W on the keyboard. Now we have to go to the File tab. This will open up the Backstage view. Here, we need to click Options. A new dialog box will appear. From the leftmost panel, we have to go to Trust Center and then this Trust Center Settings. When we click on it, another new dialog box will appear. We have to look for Protected View. Clicking on it, we will see a title named Protected View. Under this, we can see three options. The third option is what we need. We need to check off the third option. After that, we have to click on OK to close this dialog box and then OK again to close the Excel Options dialog box. Now we can directly open and edit the file without the protected view. At this stage, we can directly open the file and edit the file as we wish. It is a good idea to restart the Excel program to do so. Make sure to like and share the video. Go ahead and follow the page to get the latest updates of new videos and don't forget to share our page with your friends and family. Your like and share encourages us to make more educational videos like this. I am Mokibul Hassan signing off, wishing you all to be healthy and happy by the grace of Allah. Assalamu alaikum.